Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Atomic Wallet application from your mobile device. If you've recently deleted your Atomic Wallet account and you'd like to get rid of the app as well, then the process is super easy. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and visit your app drawer and you'll be able to see the Atomic Wallet app. Simply go ahead and press hold the app and you should be able to see several menus popping up in the display. Tap the remove app button and tap delete app twice in order to delete your Atomic Wallet app from your mobile device. No matter what smartphone you're using, the process is quite similar. So that is how you can easily get rid of the Atomic Wallet application or uninstall the application from your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.